In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign issues to a sprint in Jira and make sure they appear correctly on your Scrum board. If you've ever created a sprint and then noticed that some of your user stories or tasks are missing from the active board, the problem is usually simple. Those issues haven't been assigned to the correct sprint yet. When that happens, your board can feel incomplete, your burned down chart may not reflect reality, and your team's sprint planning becomes less reliable. The good news is that fixing it is quick and straightforward. Start by opening Jira in your web browser and signing in to your workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the software project you want to work in. From the navigation menu on the left side, click Backlog. This is where you'll manage unassigned issues and organize work into the right sprint. When the backlog opens, you'll usually see your sprint sections near the top and the rest of your backlog underneath. Take a moment to identify the exact sprint you want to add issues to. Make sure you're choosing the right sprint name before making changes, especially if your team has multiple upcoming sprints prepared in advance. One of the fastest ways to assign an issue is by dragging and dropping it. Find an unassigned issue in the backlog, click and hold it, then drag it into the sprint you selected and drop it there. As soon as you do that, Jira updates the issue and links it to that sprint automatically. This is the easiest method when you're working visually and moving several items around during planning. If you prefer a more detailed approach, or if dragging is inconvenient because of filters or screen space, click the issue key to open the details panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, look for the sprint field, open the drop-down, choose the sprint you want, and save the change. This method is especially helpful when you're already reviewing issue details and want to update the sprint without leaving that view. There's also a quick shortcut for faster backlog management. Hover over an issue, right-click it, and look for the Move to option. From there, select the sprint you want. This can save time when you're updating several issues in a row. Before you finish, do a quick check. Look through the sprint and confirm that the issues now appear in the correct section. Make sure the sprint reflects the work you expect to see so your team capacity and planning view stay accurate. Once everything looks right, you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the